Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Kitchen trends and renovation ideas, stunning decoration tips for a dream kitchen makeover. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home, where design meets function, and everyday moments turn into lasting memories. If you're thinking about refreshing your kitchen or planning a full renovation, knowing the latest trends and decor ideas can help you create a space that's both beautiful and practical. From layout changes to color palettes, finishes, and storage upgrades, today's kitchens are all about blending comfort and convenience with personal style. Whether you're drawn to warm woods, matte fixtures, open shelving, or sleek, streamlined cabinetry, your dream kitchen should reflect how you live and what makes you feel at home. In today's video, we're diving into the top kitchen trends and renovation ideas for 2025. You'll see decorating tips that elevate your space, from mixing materials and adding texture to incorporating statement lighting and functional design details. We'll also cover updates that make the biggest impact, whether you're working with a compact layout or an open concept space. So if you're ready to reimagine your kitchen with fresh inspiration and practical design ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another episode from Home Go Time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you dream big and design a kitchen that feels as good as it looks. Whether you're upgrading a few details or starting from scratch, every choice you make brings you one step closer to the space you've always wanted. Until next time, keep designing with heart, purpose, and a touch of everyday beauty.